Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Thank you, Honorable. I did recognize Rumpi West.
Thank you, Second Deputy Speaker, Madam, for giving an opportunity to the people of Rumpi West under Paramount Chief Chikula Maembe, Temba Katumbi, Sub-Chief Zorokere, Chipofia Kawazamawe. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, let me congratulate the President for taking a different trajectory in terms of outrunning the new Sona that he presented in this House. That's why it has been able for people to point.
Honorable Member for Mangochi South, you are out of order.
I'll take it again, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Madam. The direction the President took is commendable, excellent, marvelous, different from the previous way he used to do. That's why people now are able to know that this is right, this is wrong. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, I'll zero much on what the President said. Taking development forward to continue progress we have delivered. I stand here to acknowledge that leader in Rumpi West in terms of education, we have Jarira High Secondary School built by Sister Big, a Korean. We commend the government for giving conducive involvement to stakeholders who can bring development in this country. We have Matunga CDSS under the American government completed, though there is no electricity, there is no stationery, there are no school desks, yet the school opened. We commend the government for allowing it to happen in Rumpi West. We thank the government for releasing the money after a long struggle, complaining in this House about the monies for Chipofia irrigation scheme. Finally, with the pressure, government released the money and the construction works are in progress. People of Rumpi West, we are grateful to the President and the government and to everyone, even the Parliament, that allowed the money to go to Rumpi West. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, I also stand here to acknowledge that Peace Parks Foundation, with the funding from KFW and GIZ, they are constructing Tazima water gravity scheme, of which I'm coming right away from Tazima today. Nika, it's where I slept, and today we are testing the pressure of the water. We thank the government for giving enough room for stakeholders to do what they can do as a social corporate responsibility to the community, where they are harvesting a lot of monies for their purposes. This is a plowback. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, from the Sona, people of Rumpi West have some questions that need to be addressed. One, the Sona mentioned that we are constructing Rumpi Nyika Road, and now 18 kilometers have been tarmacked, and it means from the 20 kilometers, we only remaining 2 kilometers. That is not true. I'm coming from there, it's only 1.5 kilometers that has been covered. Cool down, government, cool down. Secondly, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Kambenda Health Center is only at the Ministry and the papers and in the Sona, but there is no Kambenda Health Center as such. There is only a foundation left by Ziuya Construction in 2012. Therefore, the framers of the Sona might have mistaken all the monies are there on paper that it has been used to construct Kambenda Health Center, but the monies have not yet been trickled to Kambenda. We are waiting for the Minister of Health, the way you have done yesterday, to
Honorable Minister of Health.
I'm talking
Honorable Minister of Health. Honorable Minister of Health, if you want, you can ask for the floor. I will give you space. No. You cannot speak while sitting. You cannot speak while sitting. If you want the floor, I will grant you the floor, and then you will clarify.
Protection,
no,
please.
It doesn't work like that.
I am under
it doesn't work like that. You are the deputy leader, be exemplary. You are the deputy leader. I will grant you space
and
after
the minister
him.
is a high-ranking official who cannot threaten me. I'm just telling you what is there. JSEED provided 161 million. As I'm talking, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, it is unfortunate. I don't know whether there is a spirit that plows the money back from the to the sender. The project by JSEED, 161 million, it is at the foundation stage. The contractor left last year. Therefore, that's why I'm commending the president that the way he did this year has exposed the people who are lying to the president that have done this, yet there's nothing there. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, I have to acknowledge, after I complained to the Minister of Agriculture 2 weeks ago about scarcity of maize in Hewe, they have given us 600 bags of maize. But if you look at Hewe, it's the one that produces a lot of maize in Lumpi and part of the northern region. But these people now, they are struggling to find food. I plead with government. People of Hewe love the president so much. People of Hewe, they produced 0 vote for an opposition candidate during the elections. I pray that the minister, you'd consider those people again with food at Tazima, Hewe, Zolokere, the famous Kambenda, Mwachanda, even Bolero, because these centers, people from all the districts, we are one. Therefore, if the food is not available at Lumpi, then it means the whole district has no maize. We thank the president for allowing Marep 9 to take place, and we are given 3 centers. We are grateful, but we hope, as the Minister of Energy said, we hope that Matunga CDSS, a beautiful secondary school built by the government through the American government, should be connected to the electricity. Lusani 1, Lusani 2 should be connected to the electricity. Kasere should be connected.
Consider winding up, Honorable.
I'm finishing. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, the Sona also mentioned about a mortuary at Borel. What we received through the Minister of Health, when she came there, she promised us pots, but she has not given us. At Rumbi District Hospital, we need those pots tomorrow, madam. It's a long time. The Ngongole Sima Karachoncho, Tawia Kalitsa. The mortuary is not there, Madam Speaker. Therefore, this Sona, it might have maybe have some miscarriages in the writing. The kufuna kwa president kulipo. Komandalama zosi zinapite ndipo so manga kulije na kuzenga kulije. I thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving an opportunity to the people of Rumpi West. Sikuti nkamanena kuti zikulibe nde kuti ndudala.
Thank you very much, Honorable. Thank you. Honorable members, I have observed with concern that these days, most of you prefer using Chichewa language, our local language. And that's not the official language to use in this house.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.